Good day, student. Now today we will draw a Christmas tree using triangles. Okay. Now here I'll put the Christmas tree, the file name. Christmas tree. Okay. Now these are the common code. So I already put this and kept. So let us start. Now to prepare the Christmas tree, we require first triangle. So we will make the block of triangle. So make a block for triangle. So we'll use triangle here. We'll use the size for it. Okay, size for the triangle input. Okay, now this is our block. So let us start with motion. Give the steps to this. Move, then turn. Okay, now how many moves we have to give, that size will decide. Okay, degree will be, as we know, for triangle, one angle of triangle is 120 degree. So we'll create 3 steps for it. Yes. Okay, now let us see. We'll check the block if it is working. So we'll give here 60 size input side. Yes, so this one is working. So let us start. So what we have to do to make a Christmas tree, we want the triangle, we have to change the degree of this triangle. Okay, so it will become in a 180 degree position. Let's see. So what we have to do, we have to turn this. We'll put here, turn it in the 180 degree. Let's see, we'll check. Okay, this block is not there, so let us see. 60. Yes. Okay, now what we have to do, we have to change the x-axis and y-axis for it. So first we will change the y-axis. So we'll bring this triangle here. Okay, let us make the changes. So go to the motion, change the y-axis here. Yes, so here we have to put, change this by, let's check how much it is taking. Let's put 100. If we want on top, so it is this y-axis, this side is the plus, so we'll use 100 here. Let's see where it is going. Yes. Okay, then let's start. Pan up. Okay, pan down, then blocks. One more triangle we will make. Pan up now. Okay, now the white line will be drawn. So we have to change the y-axis and x-axis now. Both axes we have to change it. Let us check. Motion, change x and y. Okay, so we'll change y first, and we'll check the x-axis also, x-axis and y-axis. Okay, now how much we have to change, let's check. That will decide afterwards. First we'll put the input afterwards. Let's try, check. Okay, put a block here, and down. Now this is 60, means double of 60 is 120. We want bigger than this triangle. We want bigger triangle, so it is going on top. So we'll change this y-axis, we'll bring it down. So if you want it down, then it is minus, we'll set 100 to see. Yes, little bit more, we want it down. So when 10, we'll put 110 and check. No, little bit. So 105, we'll see if it's working. Yes. Okay, now my axis also will change. We want on the right side, so what we'll do, we'll change this. For example, we'll take 60, going too far. So more than 60 or less than 60, we'll check. 50 we'll put. Yes, little bit. 30 we'll see. We'll put 40 and check. We want it in the middle, so we'll put, let's put 20. No, it's going. Let's check 25 if it is working. Yes. Then 30. Yes, because this triangle is 60-degree. Now, yes, this is the size of the triangle is 60. So half of the 60 is 30. So y-axis will keep as 30. So it will come in the center. Okay. Now we will next we'll make one more. This triangle is a little bit less. We'll just check. Looks bigger. If we make the size of the triangle less, so we have to change the y-axis and x-axis also. So little bit 100 will check. Y-axis, no, it is going on top. We'll take negative 80. Let's say yes, a little bit 70. Going top, we'll increase. We'll keep 90. We'll see if it is working, because we want it in down. Little bit up we require. So 85. If it is working properly, good. Little bit down, so it's check 88 if it's working. Yes, so we'll keep this in the middle. So we'll keep 40. Just check. Going that side, we'll keep less 20, 25. We'll check. Okay, little bit 20. We'll check if it is working. Yes, so we'll make one more triangle, third triangle of Christmas tree. Okay, now pen up. Okay, then change y-axis and x-axis. Both we have to change again, because we have to give the position to this triangle, third triangle. So what we'll do, we'll change the x-axis and y-axis also. So y and x. Okay, this we'll see afterwards where the third triangle is going, and as per that we'll change the x-axis and y-axis. Then next, after this, we have to give the pen down, and we have to give the block. We have to add the block. Okay, next, so we'll keep this 150. We'll check if it's working. Yes, but it's going on top, so we'll change the y-axis. If we want the triangle down, we need, we'll check 80. Yes, again more we require, so we'll change 120. Yes, again little bit We'll change the size of this. It is too big, so we'll keep 120. Yes. We'll change the y-axis minus 100, and we'll see. Yes, exactly comes in the center. Little will take down. 105 we'll put and see. Yes. Okay. Now what we require is the small rectangle. So we have to create one more block for rectangle. Rectangle. As we know, for rectangle there is length and width. So we'll put first length. Then input will be, next is width. Okay. So say okay. Now we have to create this block. Okay. Just go to the move. We have seen how to create the rectangle. So we'll create. Then turn. So this is also, how many sides are there? 4 sides. So we'll make 4 sides. First we'll keep the 4 steps here. Then first we'll give the length input. Then we'll give the move width. Then again length and the move. Now what we have to do? We have to add this block at the below the triangle. Okay. We'll give the input for this. For example, 30 and 60. Now let's see where the sprite is standing. From there it will draw the rectangle. See. So what we have to do? We are not given the degree here. So we'll give 90 degree for each angle. 90. Here also 90. And here also 90. Now let's check. Yes. Okay. Now what we have to do? We have to keep the sprite in the, we have to bring the rectangle down. So what we'll do? We'll change the y-axis and x-axis again. Okay. Let's check. Y-axis. Keep here. Also we'll change the x-axis and we'll check. Okay. First we'll check how if it is working. We'll check y-axis first. We'll change the y-axis and see. We want down, so that means a negative 80. Yes, it is coming. What we have done is we have not keep the pen up. So what we have to do here, we have to keep the pen, we have to keep the pen up, then we have to keep pen down. Let's check. Yes. So we have to take it little bit up. So what we'll do, we'll change minus 90 and see. Now going down, right? So we'll increase 100, we'll see if it is working. Again it is going down. So we'll change it to 50. Yes. One little bit down. So we'll keep 60 and check. Yes. So we have to change the x-axis also. So we'll take the x-axis. We want on left side, that means positive. It is positive x-axis. Going that, sorry, negative x-axis. So we'll put a minus 30 and we'll check. Yes. Little bit more left side we required. Okay, correct. So what we have to do here now, You have to keep this sprite okay in a 90-degree position. So we'll keep as it is. It will be in a 90-degree, not 90, 180 we'll see. Yes. Okay. So this is our sprite. We're hiding the sprite. Now you can see the Christmas tree here. So like this you can use this code and you can prepare the Christmas tree. Okay, you try this on in Pictoblocks, or if you have a Scratch you can try in Scratch also. Okay student, thank you.